Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the sheet and highlighting the cells to change. This ensures the function targets the right data. Once done, make sure to pick whether you will overwrite the original column or place results in a new column to preserve data. You should also scan for formulas, merged cells, or leading/trailing spaces because those affect results. Cleaning or unmerging first makes the conversion predictable and prevents accidental data loss. You now type equals upper, A2 in a neighboring cell, replacing A2 with the first cell you selected. That converts text to uppercase because upper transforms letters while leaving non-letters unchanged. Once the formula looks right, drag the fill handle or double-click it to apply the formula down the list, which quickly scales the change. If you need static text rather than formulas, copy the new column and paste special right arrow values, only so you finish by deciding whether to replace the original cells. Copy the uppercase column and paste special right arrow values into the original location if you want to overwrite. Make sure to use trim. First, if you notice extra spaces, because leading or trailing spaces can make text appear misaligned even after conversion. If something breaks, check for formula references pointing to the wrong row or cells formatted as numbers. Correcting references or converting numbers to text resolves most errors. Reapply up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.